Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need permission to rename channels. If you don't have it, ask an admin. Once you can edit, open the channel settings and select Edit Channel, then tap the name field. Instead of plain spaces, paste a zero-width space character, U plus 200B, or similar invisible glyph where you want the gap. You copy that character from a text editor or this guide, then paste it into the name. Make sure you don't exceed Discord's length limits before saving the new name. Now create the visual spacing pattern. Place zero-width spaces where you want breaks and alternate with visible separators if you need obvious gaps. For consistent results across devices, consider the Braille blank, U plus 2800, or a narrow visible symbol like a middle dot. Those render more predictably. Once you've constructed the name, check that it remains unique within the server and does not exceed character limits. If using bots, save the new channel name and immediately verify it on both desktop and mobile apps because rendering can differ. If the change fails or the spaces disappear, first confirm you still have managed channel permission and that the server's moderation bots aren't reverting names. Some invisible characters are stripped by Discord. If that happens, switch to an alternative invisible or narrow glyph, or use a subtle visible character like a thin hyphen. Once stable, inform moderators of intentional formatting to avoid automated corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.